Okay, next one. Do you want to give it a shot yourself? Try it. Okay. Deposited quarterly for 2 years into a fund that pays 8.25 per year. $750 is the payment because you're paying $750. You're depositing $750. Okay, so we just talked about this. N is quarterly times 2 years, so N is going to be 8 payments. Your I is 8.25%. Present value is 0. Payment is negative $750. Future value I'm calculating, so I leave it at 0 to start off with. Payments per year, 4. Because I'm making payments 4 times a year. Compounded, it is also compounded quarterly, which is 4. Does someone else have that number? What did you get? Okay. I must have misheard you. $6,451.46. Okay. We're good? On to the next ones. You guys are going to have to help me then. 3. Determine the monthly payment for a 3-year loan on $15,000 at 5.9 per year compounded. Okay, so now this one's a little different, right? Determine the monthly payment. So we actually want to calculate our PMT for a 3-year loan on $15,000 on a $15,000 motorcycle at 5% per year compounded monthly. Okay? So, 3-year loan, 12 payments, right? A year. 3 years, 12 payments a year. Does everybody agree with that? So it's going to be what? 36 payments. Our interest rate is 5.9. Our present value is $15,000. That's how much money they're giving us today. No, I think you need to pause there. Our payment, we're going to calculate. Futures value 0. Payment per year is 12. You're paying it monthly, and our compound is also monthly. For $455.65. Think of it this way when you're thinking about present value, especially in this case. They're giving you a loan for $15,000, right? So you're getting that money. Where the payment is saying I have to pay it out, so that's why it's giving me another. Okay, 4, this is just has to do with the printing. I apologize. So maybe what I'll do is I will just write it underneath here. So N equals I equals, just so it's on the same slide, PV equals PMT equals FB equals PY equals MC. Okay. Determine the weekly deposit to save $1,000 in 1 year if interest is earned at 0.25% per year compounded weekly. Okay, well, N, how many weeks in a year? 52. Okay, $50,000. Our interest rate is 0.25%. Our present value is 0. Our payment we want to figure out. And our future value is $1,000. In a year, we want to have $1,000. Our payment per year, it's weekly, so it's going to be 52. And we are compounding weekly, so it's also going to be 52. $19.21. Yeah. $19.21. Does everyone have the hang of this? Really, the trickiest thing here is we need to remember that N is your number of payments. N is your number of payments. And you need to just make sure that if it's a payment, you're making it negative, etc. Okay. Okay, so Rajinder would like to borrow ice cream cone? I don't have it. I don't have it. I'll come back to it, okay? Just go to number 6. I don't have it on my slide for some reason. Would like to borrow $7,500. His bank offers him a 3-year personal loan with monthly payments. The interest rate on the loan is 6.25% per year, compounded monthly. Determine the monthly payment. Okay, so we're going to determine the monthly payment. So N, I, PB, PMT, FB, PY, and CY. Okay, so 3-year monthly payment. Okay, 3-year monthly payment. So what's my N going to be? 36. My interest rate is 6.25. My present value would be the $7,500. We want to calculate our PMT here. Our future value is 0. Our payment is monthly payment, so it's 12 a year, and we're compounded monthly, so 12. So here we're calculating our monthly payment. Okay, so I got our monthly payment to be $229.02. Who got that? Okay, calculate the total amount he will pay to the bank. So what you want to do here is just calculate your future value now, okay? The answer on the answer sheet is incorrect. So if you calculate future value, your future value is going to be this. Oh, sorry, very good, 3. Now, in order to do this, you need to either delete the payment, put it to 0, or delete your present value and put it to 0. You have to have one unknown, okay? And then how much interest? Well, interest is just going to be how much you pay back to the bank subtracted by how much you borrow. Okay? So I paid that back to the bank, subtract 7,500, so my interest was 1,542.33 cents. Okay? Does that make sense? Alright, so all of these, I don't think I need to keep going because all of these questions are the same just over and over and over, and all the answers are on the back sheet, so you can check them, okay? And it's really about just plugging it into the calculator properly. So I'm going to give you some time to get working on that. Alright?